let's go over the upper body one first, and this is called the bear push-up. So I'm just going to slide it in here so that everybody can do it. So we start on our knees, and then what we do, we put our hands out in front. Come on, if you work with early childhood, you can never expect a clean floor. So my hands are out in front right here. They're not directly underneath. They're over here in front. Now, I'm going to turn into a bear. So, they're good? Okay, kid approved. Awesome. So now, bears like to eat what?
Fish.
Fish. Me. Good. Thank you for not saying honey. People being brainwashed by Disney. Okay, so you're going to go like this. What you're going to do is, you tuck your chin in. You take a breath in. This is kind of like if you do yoga, right? It's kind of like a downward dog into an upward dog. So you're going to go like this, or a cobra. You go like this, breathe in, and then you're just going to come down here. You grab your fish, and then you come up and you go Okay? So that, you want to try it? What's your name? Violet. All right, come over here. You want to try this with us? All right, cool. Right over here. All right, ready? And now, hands on the ground. Now, do I want your hands under your shoulders? Do I want your hands in front? Awesome. And do I want your head forward? Do I want your head back? Okay, so then my free frame didn't work, and that's how I changed up. So do you notice the auditory free frame didn't work, but the visual free frame? So visual. So do I want your head in the front, or do I want your head back here? Make sense? It's up to you to figure out the learning styles of your kids if you want them to do what you want them to do. Now, big belly breath in. Ready? Take a big belly breath in. Now, do you see your fish in front of you? See any fish? Okay, good. Now, ready? Now, let's go into the water. Grab a fish. And now, come up and go nom, 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 nom. Just like that. Awesome. All right, give a round of applause. All right, now,